G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Sorry to bear the rotten news, but there's no end in sight to this gross humid weather. In fact, it'll probably get worse as thunderstorms spread through the state, so don't even entertain the thought of a cool change ahead. Temperatures today for the Central Coast and Highlands. Mackay hit a high of 31 degrees, 58% humidity. Claremont and Emerald also hit about 34 in fact, and that was after a night around the 20 mark. Starting with the satellite loop, you can see we're starting to get that monsoonal type pattern forming. It's not really kicked in yet, but it soon will. The whole top end starting to cloud over. More locally, we've had that really heavy rain across far north Queensland. Very subtle thing in the atmosphere that's produced that. And the biggest storms, of course, are in this band through western Queensland. They're encroaching on the Darling Downs and Granite Belt. Today's chart now, only very subtle changes. Very weak ridge along the coast, hardly any wind, very stagnant tropical air mass, making for this extreme humidity we're feeling. On tomorrow's chart, the humidity remains, nothing changes, only one line on the chart. Hardly any wind except in the south, where north-northwesterly start reaching warning strength. And of course, this inland trough will once again trigger storms that could reach the coast later on. And now the latest from BOM, the boating forecast for Mackay waters, straight northerlies tomorrow, 15 to 20 knots. That dreadful northwesterly on Wednesday, 15 to 20 as well, and dropping to 10 to 15 for Thursday. The tidal sequence has reversed since we last spoke. Tomorrow we're expecting low tide around the middle of the day, with two high tides on either side, neither of them very large. Central Coast and Whitsunday is a slight chance of a late shower only. Should be mostly dry, with Mackay reaching 31 degrees, Bowen 32, Proserpine 33. Central Highlands and Coalfields, showers with possible thunderstorms. Emerald 23 tonight, 32 tomorrow, Claremont 31, Moranbah 33. Looking ahead for Mackay, steamy and stormy from Wednesday through Monday, with no relief to the incessant humidity and no cool change in sight. Days won't go much over 30, but nights will be boiling. Someone's just asked me the oldest question known to man: what causes wind? In a nutshell, the sun causes all our wind and weather because it heats the earth unevenly, and the wind is just air rushing around the globe trying to even out the temperature imbalances. The summer sea breeze is a great local example. The sun cooks the land until huge bubbles of hot air start to rise, leaving behind a void that's quickly filled by a cool rush of wind from the ocean. It's the uneven heating of land and sea that keeps the wind blowing. And that's the short answer, folks. Catch you tomorrow, and now it's back to the team.
You're wonderful, Luke. Good on you, mate. Thank you very much. Lovely having your company, folks, and we'll catch up again tomorrow night. A reminder, anything you'd like to watch again, catch up on our 7plus app, or if you like, our page, 7news.com.au. See you tomorrow. Good night.